So in 2017, we were looking for a new warehouse partner to manage the kitting and packing of promotional items. We did look at a couple of companies locally as well, and we really came across OrderFlow actually through their website. We reached out to the guys, and I think the thing that really got us excited was how much value they put into putting insights into the company. So they didn't say, here's our system and this is it. Charlie and the guys, they tried to really understand what we do, and then they tried to make OrderFlow work in a way that met our requirements. So no one locally was doing that. So they weren't necessarily saying, well, how big is your business going to be? And they didn't even ask us questions like that, which was great. They went into, how does the business work and what do you want to get out of the system? And that was wonderful. And to the point where the guys actually came out to South Africa and worked with us, with the clients. I really think the kitting part of it, so their system had the ability to deal with the bill of materials, so that we could make one kit that had multiple different components in it. And the system was quite easy to use. And I think the other part of it was just the usability of it. It feels like a Google or I don't want to say Google, but that kind of feel. It's not a clunky, old-looking system that's so I think the usability and how easy it was for us to navigate was the exciting parts of it. We've thrown a lot of challenges to them in the way that we work and can the system do it. So there's some really interesting work that we've done with them for smaller satellite warehouses that we run that has automated orders and things like that. And I find them quite flexible in that they will take the challenge that we give them and they'll work a solution that actually we get to the result that we need. They don't necessarily go and change the entire system, but they're flexible in that they try and do some tweaks that give us the best result. Yeah. You know what I would say for me as the MD of the business, I think the best part of it when working with OrderFlow is if I go to a client, I have confidence that these guys behind the scene are going to be able to make what we need to happen. And that's, so when you say a partnership, it's sometimes I almost feel like they are our IT company. It's not like they're a vendor out there that work with us at arm's length. I don't get that sense at all with them. I think the relationship's actually been really good. So we do have a level of confidence that they're going to deliver what we need them to deliver. With our clients, when I meet them, I've got a pretty good understanding of what OrderFlow's capabilities are. And if they ask us specific things or give us pieces of work that may be a bit more trickier, generally, I feel pretty confident that they're going to be able to pull it off. Even if I think through the last sort of 3 or 4 years, we've landed some big changes in clients' businesses through working with OrderFlow. They've given us a problem to solve, and working with OrderFlow, we've managed to solve those problems, which has been great. The one part that I've really enjoyed about working with OrderFlow is that Charlie is reachable as the MD of the business. I can phone him at any time, and we can chat through some of the stuff that we're working on or what some of the challenges are. So from that point of view, I think as a business, they're great. I mean, I'm not sure what Phil's title is. I think he's more on the tech side or the solution side, but he's also brilliant. I mean, we've solved some really tricky stuff. And the fact that we can chat about it and figure it out together is great. From our future business development and where we are now, I'm pretty confident that what OrderFlow give us enables us to pretty much get any client in the kind of industry we work in. I think that the fact that OrderFlow work with us is a massive selling point. You know, we've won some business purely based on the technology that we offer.